nekutenda baba. Tinoda kufara nekutenda baba. That was a wedding, right?
She's still happy.
It's okay. I was not expecting you to say that. But anyway, guys, this is a whole incubator, right? A whole incubator, like.
Incubator.
I'm a whole incubator. Stuff is happening here. Guys, today I've got energy. So the name energy. So and this one day I wanna copy. But I can't wait to this is the longest that I ever tried to work on my body. Whatever after 2 months the weight loss journey. The baba guys.
Anna, wake up. Don't listen to people, eh? Don't listen to people.
Why?
No, don't listen to people. Just eat. Eat for now. Don't listen to them. You are beautiful.
Thank you.
Look at you.
Thank you.
Look at your nose.
Thank you for the food. It's nice.
Welcome.
The chips are nice.
Welcome. Mamoyo special. Look at you for the baby. Moonwalk, yes. Thriller.
Is that the moonwalk?
Yes, she's Zimbabwe.
Oh.
South Africa. Botswana. Nigeria. USA. Zimbabwe. No.
Oh.
Malawi.
I don't know.
Malawi is...
It's pending.
Yes, that's Malawi. Yes. DRC.
Oh God,
Namibia.
I don't know.
They don't have a dance, actually. Namibia.
I don't know.
This is Big Brother. Anna, report to the diary room.
Hi, Biggie.
Good evening, Anna.
Hi.
How are you this evening?
I'm okay. I'm just taking it slowly.
Anna.
Huh? Yes, Biggie.
Your fellow housemates are complaining.
What did I do?
They are saying you're not brushing your teeth.
I did. I brushed my teeth.
When last did you brush your teeth, Anna?
In the morning. In the morning I brushed my teeth.
At what time?
At 9. At 9 I brushed.
How many minutes did you?
I am trying, Biggie. There's other housemates, they don't understand my situation. I know it. They're always talking about it. And if I was in my condition...
Calm down, Miss Anna.
If I was in my
condition...
Calm down.
Calm down. Thank you.
Biggie, if I was... when you go to the shops and go to my shop circle. I want that pork pie. Yakudara, that one. Nope.
Okay.
And Pick and Pay.
Okay.
What else do I want? I just want that.
Okay.
And then my baby and my veggie. Next one, that's the beef. I'll prepare that.
Thank you. No, Rara. Okay. Yeah, we know my shop.